Pasta bake.
Cooking on a budget.
Make sure you wash your hands. First, fill a pan with hot water.
And then boil it on a stove before adding your spaghetti.
Then add a teaspoon of salt to your boiling hot water.
Now cut up 6 rations of bacon.
Place the cut up bacon in the pan.
Place the bacon on the stove.
Peel the skin off of the onions.
And then chop them with care.
Then break the spaghetti into thirds.
Now clean the peppers.
Now break open the pepper.
And then slice.
Add the onions to the bacon.
And then add the peppers.
Now strain the pasta.
Now add peppers and tomato pastita to the pan.
Chop the basil.
And then add to the pan.
Now strain the mozzarella cheese.
Now add spaghetti. Now slice the mozzarella cheese in half.
Now grate the Parmesan cheese.
Now bury the mozzarella cheese.
Cover the pasta bake in cheese.
Now put the pasta bake in the oven.